Roswell! Makarov?
Word travels fast.
Only if he wants it to.
You think he's working for the Kremlin?
I wouldn't be surprised.
I have a contact who might know the answer. I need transport.
Where?
Arklov military base.
It's heavily guarded.
Can you do it?
To stop Makarov? Of course.
I need to get in and back out. Could go upside down quickly.
I specialize in upside down, Roswell.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Who's your contact?
Yuri Volkov.
Yuri's on the payroll?
Yuri never took a dime.
That's Yuri. When do we leave?
How's now? Nice.
We need to fly low.
Under the radar.
Exact. We are a mile out.
Don't get compromised. Now stop and go. Call you when I need you.
Roger.
Watcher the Yankee. Eyes on the base approaching now.
سلام واشد که یکی دیگه چه منوچه ویدیو چه پارت پنجم مدرن وارفر گیم پلی هم خب اگر تعظیم کانال باش نداریم این کانال سابسکرایب کنیم ویدیو لایک کنیم کامنت کنیم من کانال شیر کنیم تی دوست رفیقانی کرده تیم کمیونیتی و کانال مستر بی خب گیشتر ابر ندیم بریم که یه پارت هم هم دیگه بگیم خب ये مرحله انگار حالت نفوذی دشمن پایگاه تو کر رہا ہے خب پرو کے بریم
Yuri should have sent you his location by now.
Affirmative. Arklov administrative building near the hangar. Look for a satellite dish on the roof.
Copy. Dish on the roof.
Yuri won't have much time before they notice he's gone.
In and out, nobody gets hurt.
I know Arklov well. Tell me what you see and I'll do my best to help.
Closing on the entrance, Nick.
So far, so good.
روسیان پایگاه تو کام
Need to blend in better.
Don't get made as well.
Got a problem. Need a security keycard to access.
Good thing you're a spy.
Bet I could find one on an officer. Anyone entering or exiting likely has one.
Good call. Look for an officer leaving the building.
See a major leaving the entrance. He's not alone.
Wait till he's alone and do what needs to be done for his key card.
financial up to
Major's breaking away, heading upstairs towards an office.
Would be a good place to catch him alone.
Major's heading back down.
Advise you wait until he's alone again. Laswell, have you acquired the keycard to get into the
Target
building?
down. Negatory. No keycard yet.
Ingumeo. Is that Piedai?
He's heading towards an equipment room.
If it's clear, take him out and get his card. Yuri is waiting.
He's down. Target eliminated, keycard secured.
He took one for the team.
Had to be done.
That
Yeah,
one's
مو
lucky,
يمكن
not
يدخل.
you.
Yuri better make this worth our while. I'm in.
Laswell, Yuri is in the storage room. Take the hallway to the right of the entrance. It should be there.
Making entry. Yuri.
Watcher, I'm impressed, but not surprised. Any issues?
Several.
ممكن جاسوسي طلعان توكي نيراني.
I hope it's worth their sacrifice. What do you have?
FSB files in Barkov's research.
Chemical weapons.
As a soldier, Makarov was enamored with their potential.
Can they be neutralized?
I'm giving you everything we know.
Why?
Russia and the West face similar threats from within. It is imperative we collaborate to control them. Противник моего оппонента — мой союзник.
Nikolai by совсем согласился.
Он настоящий патриот. The Kremlin is not behind these chemicals.
That doesn't mean Makarov isn't working with Moscow.
There are extremists in both our governments.
Come again, Bravo. Bravo, your signal's weak. Come again.
In the blind, we have 2 missiles incoming to the Arklov base. They have chemical warheads. If you are there, get out.
Oh, دودا میشه گوشی پیدا گیتایی داره. Oh, میشه کار لگه.
There's another one coming.
We have to go. We cannot be seen together. Let's well go. That's it.
چرا موشکت کن؟
Able to watch it. Laswell, come in. Are you alive?
For now. Missile attack.
Камео.
Get to the high ground. Look for a way up.
Борзайся.
For extraction.
Roger. On
Ну,
my way.
борзай.
Nick, where are you?
Circling now. People are dying down there. Hurry, Laswell. Is Yuri with you?
Negative. We went separate ways.
I hope he makes it.
Coming up the ladder.
Quickly, Laswell. The gas is rising.
Still pushing up, Nick. Hold for me.
Climb the ladder, Laswell. I'm here. I won't leave without you. Laswell, I see you. Jump. You good?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Hold on.
Russian delegation suffered massive casualties when they came under fire.
Makarov فکر کنه
58 deaths at the custodian base, with more than 200 injured. Several explosions and an apparent chemical attack were seen by witnesses from miles away.
The Kremlin blames Kazakhstan for what they call a brutal and unjustifiable attack. They are asking world leaders to join them in denouncing the ULF as a terrorist organization.
Kazakhstan has been a terrorist hotspot for years, yet what has been done about it?
Absolutely nothing.
It's clear the ULF remains at large, and for all we know, they have weapons in striking distance of Moscow. How do we know we're safe?
господа, наш самолет завершил набор высоты. Вы можете расстегнуть ремни.
Сейчас вам будет подан обед. Давайте вы можете выбрать меню.
اوه عربي تايب كان
عيلة حلوة.
شكرا.
العيلة كل شيء.
قرب عيد ميلاد بنتي.
بنتك رابية.
كيف عرفت؟
ابنك طارق، جوزك خالد.
نعرف بعض؟
ايش امباجارك
أنا بعرفك سمارة. أنت كنت
لا
ضابط
فهمت جنك كانت
باليولف.
معنا
حاربت الروس
اي من سنين.
من سنين. اسمعي ولا تحكي.
ليه
احنا حنسيطر على الطيارة. حراس الجو وطاقم الطيارة كلهم معانا. وانت كمان. عشان أورزكستان. يلا.
Служба охраны! Пусть оружие! Air Marshal, drop your weapons!
No, 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 please, there are more!
خفضوا! خفضوا! Heads down now! Mister! It's time! Come now! Pull me forward! Stop it! Don't shoot!
अभी जाना है ना वो दुरुस्त है ना ठीक है तो जाता हूँ आ जाते
снижаемся. دنجي.
जो मुआफ़िल परवाज़ تعدد आने के लिए
Samara. You exceeded my expectations today.
What do you think you are?
This is about who you are, Samara.
What is this?
History.
Get this off me, you fucking son of a bitch!
You will be a hero for what you're doing here, Samara.
No one will believe you. I am not a terrorist.
No. You're a citizen soldier inspired by Farah Karim to find Russia. You're a freedom fighter.
You're Russian. This plane is full of Russians. How could you kill your
شما
own
جو
people?
روسیه یه یا هواپیمان مسافران در روسیه توش تو لوچش هم بکشه شما نکشن تا یه کشته گنه دن سریسی هواپیمان روسیه جانه گیم تو
Give me that phone, you sick bastard! We can stop this!
You terrorist.
No!
You look like one. Go get it.
Help me! Give me the cell phone! We have to defuse the bomb!
come on man
Stop! Let me go! I need to get to that bomb! Hurry! Give it to me! Give me that phone!
تلفن अपना ट्रैकिंग
To update you on breaking news of a Russian passenger jet that crashed in the Urzikstan
passengers and 9 crew members
It
were
may have
on
been
board.
deliberately crashed.
Standing
There
very
was an
rapidly.
Authorities are looking
unexplained
for the
descent.
cockpit voice
A
recorder.
cockpit voice recorder that is a crucial part of the
Video from
investigation.
Images
passenger
of
cell
video
phones
from
could
passenger cell phones could also shed
Hours
light on
after a missile attack on Arklov military base.
suffered massive casualties when they
Incidents could be
were
related in what looks to be a possible terrorist
دومی حمله شیعه روسا یک پایگاه جنگ بیت و بدادانی آپمای گتن
He's done more
روس
damage in
موثر
72
لوٹا
hours than
آنی
Connie did in 5 years
آمریکایی
without him.
ششون بدار
That airliner went down in my country.
It was no accident.
I need to get to that crash site and prove it.
ICAO data shows that it was a flight out of Kastovia bound for Sochi. They lost contact in this region.
That's all I need.
You'll have to get there before authorities arrive.
It's not the authorities I'm worried about.
Good luck, fella.
خب ये वीडियो फकना तुरानी भी अगर मैं ये जदीदें पाड़ता हूँ वैसे वो रुकना जदीदें वाले बस शामिल तमाम कनान ता आदि के वीडियो पाड़ते बाद दिए थोड़े बाम दिखे रहे पहला था वीडियो बाद
Crash site, over the ridge.
I see it. Shumasaki.
Somebody beat us here.
Russian PMCs. Kony Group.
Makarov.
They'll blame us for this too. We need to find out what happened on that flight. Show the world it wasn't us. I won't have them call us terrorists. Not again.
What are you doing?
Going down there.
Bar, there's at least 20 guns holding that area. What do you need from me?
Overwatch. Take some high ground and cover me.
Yes, ma'am.